Yeah, the numbers are, it's just the X factor. The X factor. See, there you go. That's why, man. You got yours in X, I got mine in plus. It's the X factor that causes you to have a two-number jump on me.
Yeah, Roger, on that, big fellow. I guarantee it, man. I'm going to enjoy this campaign for a little while. And like I said, man, I'll probably put it in the plus and see what's the difference. See how much I like it in the plus end. But right now, I'm kind of happy that I can talk both, I can talk to the mobile and I can talk to the base station at the same time to go in.
Yeah, it definitely makes it is good. It is good like that, man. But like I said, I like the ability to, when it's in the plus, it seems to give me an extra 2,000-3,000 mile jump. But hey, it's all good. It's still working. It's doing what it's meant to do. There's no doubt about that. And it's good. I can guarantee you. I can give you a guarantee right here, right now. I'm throwing down 4 bushels, and it likes it no problem. 4 bushels all day long, all night long. It don't have no dramas. 410.
Yeah, well, I tell you what, man, I'm just surprised you can hear me. I'm just cruising about 90 to 100 bird watts. Hey, Postman, that's all I'm doing. I ain't doing nothing big. Hey, plus, I'm just cruising about 100.
You're doing 90 to 100 bird watts. I can hear you no problem, man. I ain't got much conditions on anywhere at the moment. I got you about 3 dB, but no noise floor at all there. 410.
Yeah, Roger on that, man. Right there, Postman, put it up, but it's a down under, right in my way, no doubt about it. Oh, to your quad brother, right there.
Well, that time round, I got Pineapple Juice jumping up and down in the jungle. Hey, Pineapple Juice, what are you doing swinging from tree to tree? Come on. You can hear Pineapple Juice there, Quad Brother. Hey, Quad Brother, Pineapple Juice said he's just laying down 300 bird, and you said you laying down 100 bird, and right about now, I'm laying down around about 1,000 bird. Postman down under, got up.
Yeah, John does, man. He said he's doing about 300. I'm just cruising this kill me 100, about 100 bird watch, man. It's 2-field driver, no doubt about it. With his 629 build. Brother, I'm going to sit back and enjoy your talk show. I can hear JoJo coming in the background. Bring it back. Come on, let's rock.
All right, I'm gonna go back down to the bowl, see what I can get out there, man. Hey, Quad Brother, I stuck around today just to say g'day your way. Quad Brother, take him easy, take care, Pineapple Juice. I'm going back to the bowl. Postman down under, stepping now. I'll see yous.
Go to you there, Quad Brother. No play, no shit. I'm gonna swing the house around and look the other way. Quad Brother, I'm gonna try to play on. No doubt about it. Hey, give my Quad Brother, your Quad Brother around the finish grass. I see you. Aloha.
And that been my Quad Brother Roger right there. Aloha.